In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Clickup. If you're using Clickup to manage your projects and coordinate with your team, knowing how to effectively assign tasks is essential. It ensures that everyone knows what they should be working on and helps keep your projects organized and moving smoothly. Let's dive into the steps to get you assigning tasks like a pro. First things first. Let's navigate to the Clickup website. Open up your web browser and type in the address or simply search for Clickup to get there. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a login button at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that and you'll be prompted to log into your account. For ease of access, if you're using Google, you can choose the option Continue with Google. This will bring up your Google accounts. Just select the one you use for Clickup and voila! You're logged in and ready to get started. Now that you're in, take a look at the left panel. Here, you'll see a list of your workspaces or spaces. Click on the space where the task you want to assign is located. This action takes you deeper into your Clickup environment, where all your tasks are organized. Navigate through your tasks and find the one you intend to assign. Once you've found it, give it a click. This opens up the task details, which is where all the magic happens. You'll notice various fields in the task view, but today we're focusing on the Assignees field. In the Assignees field, you'll see options to add people's names or emails. This is where you can start typing the name or email of the person you want to assign the task to. A drop-down list will typically appear, showing matching users. Just ensure you've typed the correct name or email, as this ensures the task goes to the intended person. Once you've typed in their name, you should see their profile listed. Now, click on their profile to confirm that this task is indeed assigned to them. Doing so not only sends the task their way, but also updates your task list with who is responsible, ensuring everyone knows their roles and responsibilities. And that's it. You've successfully assigned a task in Clickup. This simple process helps maintain clarity in task management and enhances overall team productivity. Remember, organizing your tasks in a way that allows team members to take ownership is vital to moving projects forward efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in improving your Clickup experience. Make sure to practice this a few times, and soon it'll become second nature. See you in the next tutorial.